Good morning, everyone. In our last classes, we have read the story that is included in the first chapter of your part A book, that is Finn McColl and the Giant's Causeway. And today, I am going to give you the important question answers that belong to this chapter. But before proceeding to this, let me first give you an overall overview of the story. So, it's a story about how the Isle of Man came into being, means how it was built as a result of the rivalry between two giants belonging to Ireland and Scotland. And in that story, the Scottish giant, that is Bannon was very badly defeated by Finn McColl, who was an Irish giant, and Finn was able to defeat his enemy only because of the shrewdness of his wife, that is Una. And while the giant Banadonna was fleeing from Ireland, in the meantime, Finn just threw a lump of earth towards him, which missed its shot and just fell into the sea, which resulted in the formation of the Isle of Man, an island that still exists in the Irish Sea. So, this was the story regarding the uh, formation of the Isle of Man, and it is just a mythology. Now, let me proceed to the question answers that are relevant to these chapters. First of all, here I have mentioned the questions that I gave in the previous classes as your home assignments, and as in the 3 consecutive classes I gave 3 question answers, and here also I have mentioned these 3 at first. The first one is, who was Finn McColl? And your answer is, Finn McColl was an Irish giant. Number 2 was, what plans did Una make before the giant arrived? And the answer is, before the arrival of the Scottish giant, Una asked Finn to put on baby clothes and bonnet and lie down with a milk bottle in his mouth. Then she covered him with a couple of sheets. And the last question was from the home assignment, how did Una make the cake for Banadonna? And the answer will be, Una baked the cake with an iron griddle pressed inside it for Banadonna. So students, please note down this answer in your copies correctly. When the school will be reopened, then I'll check all this. Now, let me show you first of the some important textual question answers. So here number 1 is, why did Finn McColl think of building a bridge? Which places did the bridge connect? So this question is mainly related to the bridge, the causeway that was built by Finn McColl. So that your answer should be, Finn McColl thought of building a bridge in order to overpower his Scottish enemies. And the bridge connected Ireland to Scotland across the sea. Now, the second question is, how did the Isle of Man come into being? So, the story is mainly about the Isle of Being, how it came into being. And now this question is also about the same thing, and we already know that this was made because of the rivalry and the fighting that was between the Banadonna and the Finn McColl. Still, let me first read you the answer for this one. So the answer is, when Banadonna was fleeing, Finn scooped a huge clod of earth and flung it at the giant, but it missed the target and landed in the middle of the Irish Sea, and it became the Isle of Man. Now, the third question. So let me first read it out for you. Replace the highlighted words with suitable words given below. So students, here you can see that I have highlighted 8 words with a blue color, and you have to just replace the highlighted word in the question itself with this 8 words. Means you have to just say the synonyms of the highlighted words in the question itself. So here the number 1 is, Finn was very scared when he saw the mightier giant walking towards him. So here the highlighted word is very scared, and here its answer will be, means its synonym will be terrified. Number B, Donna was very angry with Finn. Here the highlighted words are very angry, and the synonym will be enraged. The number C, Una was cool when she heard the story as she had a plan. Here the highlighted word is cool, and its consecutive answer is calm. Now number D, Donna was surprised to see Finn's armor. Here the highlighted word is surprised, which means astonished. Then number E, Donna was tense when he learned about Finn from Una. So here the highlighted word is tense, which means anxious. Next, Donna was tired of waiting for Finn with nothing to do. So here the highlighted words was tired, and its answer will be bored. The number G, Una was bothered that Donna shouldn't kill Finn. So here the highlighted word is bothered, which answer will be concerned. And here the last question is, Donna was puzzled to see the shield. Here the highlighted word is puzzle, which means confused. So students, here is the end of the main important question answers from this chapter. So, and this is the end of today's session also. In the next class, I will teach you some of the textual grammars. And as there will be no home assignment for today's class. Thank you so much.